Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yilan. Today it's an episode of AI Agent Brew. Have you noticed that more and more job descriptions are asking for experience with AI agents or intelligent workflow? That's not a coincidence. Learning how to build intelligent workflow isn't just for developers. It's quickly becoming a foundational skill for product managers, consultants, designers, and anyone building smart digital experience. Whether you want to create your own AI product or work on advanced automation projects, knowing how the system works can open up serious opportunities. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to build an intelligent AI agent workflow from scratch using a no-code platform called Dify. I'll break it down into two parts. First, we will cover the logic and architecture behind the intelligent workflow so you understand the why and how behind every step. Then we will go into a hands-on tutorial where we'll build a working example of a Foodie Assistant AI agent. Now, why am I spending time explaining the logic first? Because my goal isn't just to teach you how to copy and paste your way through the workflow. I want to show you how this logic can apply to any use case so you can build your own AI agent with confidence no matter the domain. This is also a good refresher for myself as well. Okay, let's get into it. You can think of an intelligent workflow as a system of modular components, all working together. The same structure works whether you're building a customer support bot, a real estate lead assistant AI, a medical intake system, or even a personal finance coach. Here is the general structure. Step 1, define the agent's purpose. Ask yourself, what is this agent supposed to do? What will users input? What should the agent output be? For example, in our case, users will input food-related questions, and the agent will return recommendations with friendly tone. Step 2, design architecture. This is the most important step. You need to decide, will it be a single agent system or a multi-agent system? Will you use a knowledge base, tools, memories, or just a pure LLM? What kind of model you will use? Like ChatGPT 4.0, cloud? Do you need integrate APIs or define a tool layer? This might sound technical, but don't worry, platforms like Dify takes care of the backend. You just need to understand the structure. Step 3, connect the right components. Just like cooking a dish, you need the right ingredients. To build your agent, you will need to use LLM, like large language model, the brain of the system. This can be text only, like DeepSeek, or a multimodal like ChatGPT 4.0. Then it's prompting. It's an infrastructure to guide the model's behavior. Then it's memory/knowledge base. It's for context, facts, and answers. Then tool action layer. This is optional APIs for the agents to call. Together, this forms the architecture. Then step 4 to 7 is build, prompt, test, and maintain. These are all operational steps. Model your workflow, write prompts and configure logic, run and test for the result, maintain and optimize over time. But here's the good news. You're using Dify. Step 4 to 7 are mostly handled by the platform. You just need to focus on the step 1 to 3, the thinking part. Okay, let's get our hands on to build an AI agent by establishing an intelligent workflow, which is a step-by-step pipeline that connects tasks and decisions. Think of it as a skeleton of your AI agent. Let's go to Define, let's create a file from scratch. You can see we have chat flow and workflow. So chat flow is tailored for conversational applications like chatbot and emphasizes multi-terms interaction with memories and rich content. On the other side, workflow is designed for automations and batch processing tasks, focusing on single-term interactions and logic operations. So in short, workflow is best for tasks in batch, and chatflow curates more personalized experience as it remembers previous interactions and specific user ID. In our case, let's go with the chatflow. Now let's name its Foodie Assistant. Let's pick a potato as our AI agent profile picture, add descriptions, a helpful, efficient food ordering assistant. Let's click create. Now, as you can see, Dify automatically presents us with a chatbot workflow, which consists of start, LLM, and answer notes. Start is where a user will enter their information LLM is where the information will be processed, and answer is the output of the LLM. But we don't want this to be just any chatbot. This is a Foodie Assistant. So let's start by designing our Start node. We can click on the Start. The menu on the right will unfold. This is where we can customize field that will be input by our users. We can name it query, we can add options for users to upload pictures, and let's also make the max input length longer. Let's preview the prototype. We can see upload field has already been added. Then it's LLM. We can add a clear set of instructions in the system prompt box. Following the framework of agent roles, goals it's trying to achieve, input it should look for, AI output format, constraints, like keeping a friendly professional tone, never be aggressive towards our user. Also, here's the copy for the prompt I input into the field, which the link is down below in the description box. Here we are using ChatGPT 4.0 as our LLM. We can also adjust temperature, meaning the randomness of the LLM accordingly. One thing I really like Dify is that they provide explanations for each technical terms. Now let's take a look at the answers. It's set to display in text. That looks good. We want our Foodie Assistant to be more specific and understand our user input better. We will add classification logic to help our agent understand different types of customer requests. We'll customize it with these 4 categories: meal recommendation, delivery checking, refund request, and other. For each classification, we provide knowledge to answer the request before sending to LLM for processing. This will really help our output accuracy, especially in the real world. There's always going to be business constraints. This step can take up to months in the real world, but since our goal is to understand the concept, I have prepared some simple examples. If the question is a meal recommendation routed to GPT 4.0 with a prompt like suggest 2 to 3 meal options based on users' mood, time, and dietary preferences. If it's a checking request routed to the order lookup model and reply with your food is on the way. Here is the estimate delivery time. Here are the full scripts I have input into each knowledge node. You can find them at the link in my description. After uploading all the documents, now it's time to test. Let me ask my Foodie Assistant for a meal recommendation without dairy. You can see my input go through the start, classification of meal recommendation, knowledge, LLM, then answer. Then it provides me a list of food recs. Now let me check my food. You can see my input go through the start, classification of checking, knowledge, LLM, then answer. It provides me the carrier name, estimated time because the knowledge and LLM prompts I gave. In real world, you can connect to checking APIs to provide real data. Now let's publish our agent and make it live. Click the publish button. From here, you can run it directly inside Dify to test live chat or embed it on your own website or ordering platform. Great, now our Foodie Assistant agent is live. Before I wrap up the video, I'd like to show you that there are existing templates in Dify that you can leverage based on your domain needs. If this sparked an idea for your own agent, drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you're working on. All the prompts and tools I use are linked in the descriptions. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss another brew. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to go build something. Bye.